Hi friends, welcome to today's live reading video. The quote for today is given by one of my friend, and the quote is suffer the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. So instead of regretting later, it is better to follow discipline now. And he felt that this quote was suitable for my journey because my system, my money management and my trading system is full-fledged discipline, perfect money management, risk reward ratio is perfect. So this quote holds very good for our journey also. Without wasting much time, let us look into today's live trading video. And the stock was Tata Steel, and Tata Steel was giving excellent movement. You can see even previous day also it was very much ranging. So today also we had no doubts in finalizing that the stock Tata Steel was in a very ranging phase. So that is the reason we took break out, and we are placing the buy and also the sell orders. And very simple, nothing much to be done. Daily I'm doing the same thing, no much complexity, no much tension, no much indicators, nothing as such. So you can see that both orders are pending, and then when one of the order gets triggered, the other one has to be cancelled. So that's it, nothing else to be done. And portfolio, you can see our profits has been just started. Our profit and loss has just started to take. Around 12:40 it was 500 rupees, and then by 1 o'clock we got a target of 1500. And without wasting much time, let us quickly update into our Excel, and the profit is 1500. Okay, so there was one small error with the total sum which I had to change later. It's 47, yeah, so I had to change it to 47, and then let me just see the total figure. Yeah, we can see that we have reached 21,515. And in case if you are taking brokerages of around 100 rupees also, you can see out of 40 trades 4,000 rupees will go out, but still we are in a very good profit of more than 20%, which is very good enough. Not even 20, we have crossed 20, 25, 30% also. Yeah, so this is a journey friends, all about going good. So let us be graceful that we have got continuous back-to-back profits. And last but not the least, the trading platform which I have used is Upstock. In case if you want to join Upstock, use the link which I provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 58% discount on my open trades. Okay, and also in case if you want to join the options trading tactics, it's a 6 months training program where you'll be learning more about adjustment instead of strategy, because as I've been telling you always, strategies are available. The most important part is adjustment. So any details you want about it, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.